Hi, it's Chef Alex, and today we're going to be making cheesy crunch mac and cheese. This macaroni and cheese recipe is very adaptable. It can have chickpeas, nuts, tahini, different flours, different proteins. Check out the recipe we've provided for our suggestions. This macaroni and cheese I'm making today will only be 2 servings, but please feel free to make as much as you want for the entire family. So first we're going to start out by putting our oil in the pan. You can also use butter. And then we're going to add our flour to the fat that you've put in the pan. This is going to make a thickener for your mac and cheese sauce. Then you're going to mix it up until there are no clumps left. Perfect. Now you're going to pour in your milk while it's still on the heat. Mix it up so you get all of that flour and butter mixture mixed into the milk. It's going to start to thicken. Once it has gotten a little bit thicker but not pasty, you're going to take your pan off the heat and add in all of your cheese. You're going to stir to combine. Let it cook to your desired thickness. Feel free to make this recipe non-dairy and vegan by adding in an oat milk or hemp milk and a vegan cheese. Once it's done, you can add in your noodle of choice. I'm going to use elbow macaroni. And please feel free to use a gluten-free pasta in place of regular pasta. It'll work just as fine. So now that your noodles are stirred in and your cheese sauce is all over, you're going to season with salt and pepper. And then you can add in your dosing foods. For this example, I'm going to use some ground nuts. Stir them in. So now you have your creamy, crunchy mac and cheese with your dosing nuts inside. I'm going to give it a little taste. That is so good. It's creamy, it's cheesy, and I can't taste the nuts at all.